Well, the markets paused their Monday run-up on Tuesday. In the outside equities, we saw a trade on both sides of unchanged. The biggest piece of economic data on the out today was the housing starts, which disappointed well below analyst expectations and showed a big drop from the previous report. There was also a lot of heads of state talking today, as we saw the Treasury Secretary and the Federal Reserve Chairman testifying before Congress. Now, speaking of heads of state, President Trump held a press conference with farmers and other ag leaders. There, they rolled out a $16 billion direct farm aid program that'll start coming out towards the end of May. With that, it had little impact over on the grain trade. Now let's look into those grains where they closed mixed on the day. We saw corn and Chicago wheat higher, soybeans and Kansas City wheat lower, really lackluster. Latest crop progress number continues to show corn and soybean planting well ahead of the 5-year average. Right along behind that continues to show strong emergence numbers as well. The wheat quality dropped ever so slightly week to week. We see December new crop corn futures settle $3.34 1/4. November new crop soybeans settle $8.50 1/4. July Chicago wheat settle $4.98 3/4, and July Kansas City wheat futures settle at $4.41 1/2. In the livestock trade, that's where it was mostly lower on the day, though we saw some light buying in the live cattle contracts to come at the close. That put some more spread action in the lean hogs, and we saw several triple-digit losses on that side. Midday box beef continues to erode as we see choice cutouts starting to near $400. June live cattle settled $98.77, August feeder cattle settled $131.92, and June lean hogs settled at $56.65. One more note from President Trump's press conference. He did make some waves and some headlines when he talked about possibly limiting live animal imports into the U.S. to help the beef industry. That is a check here, the latest in market numbers in action for this Tuesday, May the 19th. I'm Clay Patton. You have a great afternoon, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.